Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, you will see first option is connection. Click on connection. After click on connection, you will see click on Wi-Fi. If you want to turn off Wi-Fi, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Wi-Fi is turned off. If you want to turn on Wi-Fi, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, Wi-Fi is turned on. You will turn on or turn off Wi-Fi from here. After turn on or turn off Wi-Fi, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.